Okay, so I've just shown you the basic. I'm going to go in and show you a little bit more about the Pro features because these are extra features that are added with an upgrade to LetClicks. So I'm going to go in. One of the Pro features that I love the best is scheduling your post. Now this is super powerful. You can schedule your post so you don't have to be in front of your computer at the time you post it. You can type your post message here and then check this out. You can post in any Facebook group that you manage, on any Facebook fan page that you manage, and of course on your timeline. And you can do it all in one click. So if I want, I can schedule all of these groups that are groups that I manage. Next, we're going to go over to reports. I'm going to show you these reports are super handy because you can see what's happening, who's clicking on those posts, how many clicks you're getting, when they're happening, what device they're happening on, what region they're happening in, country, state, you can see how many clicks I'm getting from different areas. And that's all in reporting. Reporting is detailed in this upgraded version. Link pools, you can see what's happening here. You can see all of this data and thereby know more about your customer that's clicking on your links, know more about what they're interested in and where they're clicking from and that type of thing. Okay, I'm going to go over to the editor in the Pro version, of course, and you can see in this version you can add all sorts of fun things. So you can take and put some glasses on that lady, and I don't know, we can choose our glasses. Yeah, we'll exit that one out, and we can add, I don't know, let's move those glasses down a little bit, make sure they're squared on the eyes, and let's add a bow tie. Oh yeah, I love that bow tie. I don't know, let's add a bubble in here. We can make this lady say something funny. So you've got text, you've got meme. I don't know, we can take a text bar here. We're just going to add some text. So I'm just going to say, yeah, text goes here. And then of course I can drag this wherever I want. I'm going to change the color. You can add a font style. And go ahead and save. And there you have it. Wow, she's got glasses, she's got a bow tie. I'm going to save to library. You do need to save to library in order to create your link. Okay, I'm going to go into the photo link optimizer and I can go in, browse the library, which is where I'm going to pull that photo in from. Let that load. Grab it and done. And now I have all of these other options. So I can, of course, make that square. I'm going to add a caption to the image. So on the image, let's say, check out my glasses. Yes. And then I'm going to change the font size. You can make that as big or as small as it'll go there. Let's change the color. Make it white here. Just pop it over here. Just drag it and drop it wherever you want. Really not a limitation on there at all. These strips are nice to be able to add in. You can go on the top, on the bottom, or at the top and the bottom. And you just pull these strips, grab your color, whatever color you want that to be. We'll grab this one here. Yeah. Let's get the right color. Okay, and then I can take my text here and just pop it wherever I want it. I'm not quite satisfied with that white color. I'm going to change that a little bit. Let's move that first. And let's give it a different color here. I like the black better. That looks better. Okay. You can also change the strip color if you want. And then we can add a play button. And I recommend you only add a play button if you're leading to a video. So make sure that you're not being misleading, but we can add it, let's say we are adding to, let's say we are leading to a video, just add this play button here, and then of course I can do my call to action text. So click here is always good. You can change your background, you can change your font size, you can change the font style. We're going to just do click here, and I'm going to change the color here. Let's do the background color a little bit different, kind of give it a little more of a brown color, and then I'm going to add it to library. At that point you can download the result if you want as well. And here I can now create my photo link. And you can see now how it's going to appear on the Android, iOS, and desktop. So you can see that's optimized for mobile. Okay, we're going to go up to settings so that we can show you the integrations here. Now we've integrated with Buffer, of course, Facebook, Usign, and Pixabay. Okay, now these are the stock images from Pixabay. This is showing you the Pixabay integration. I'm just going to search glasses, and then of course you can see all the glasses that you can grab straight from Pixabay. Really powerful. Usign, here we go. And you can take all of your designs from Usign and you can just pull those right in. Super easy. And then viral images you can also do. So this actually is just taking, you can put in whatever keyword you want so that you can, if you want to find out what type of images are going viral at the moment, then you just do a search. Let's take fitness, for example. Say Teespring. We're going to search it, and then what you'll see is, oh, okay, wow, that buff dude's showing up. Okay, so this is kind of what's trending. This helps me to get kind of an idea of what's happening, and then I can kind of, take ideas from that in order to create my photo links. And that way I can kind of replicate the idea type of thing. Okay, and that concludes this demo of LetClicks.